Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Baby Monitoring System using Wireless Sensor Network ESP32 Live Cam GSM SMS Alert. So in this project we are using an 5 volts power supply module, and we are using Arduino Uno R3 board, ESP32 cam live streaming on the local web page, local IP address, LM35 temperature sensor, PAI sensor, motion detection, body temperature sensor, baby cry detection, and moisture sensor, diaper detection, whether wet or dry condition, and GSM SMS alert. If any sensor detected, we will get this SMS alert, and we can see the live data with our IP address. So the 5 volts power supply, LM35A0, moisture sensor A1, cry detection A2, PIR sensor 6th pin, 16 cross 2 LC display. It is detected with the RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, GSM TX1. And we are using, so here we are using GSM module, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED. And here we are using SIM 800A, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance. And here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED. This power supply board utilized for all the components. This power supply board it utilizing for the ESP32 camera module. So here we are using mobile data with the Wi-Fi hotspot. So here whenever we are enabling Wi-Fi hotspot, username project, password is project1234, and it will show you the IP address 192.168.43.214. Now you can go to the mobile web browse. Okay, go to the Chrome and enter the 192.168. Okay, live stream you can monitor on the monitoring system. So here moisture, so here PIR sensor, and here diaper detection. Okay, LM35 temperature sensor, cry detection, and the moisture detection. Okay, so here we are getting the SMS alert. So whenever baby is moving, moisture detection, over temperature detection. Okay, so now I'm going for the diaper detection. So here I'm using the bore water. Okay, moisture detected. Okay, diaper detection, diaper need to be changed. Okay, moisture alert, diaper need to be changed. Okay, so temperature alert 78, temperature alert. So moving, moisture detected, and yeah, temperature alert. And we will go for the cry detection. Cry detection alert. Okay, baby cry detection, take action. And we will go for the live monitoring 192.168.43.24. we can move the hand. Okay, continuous live detection, PIR sensor, diaper detection. Okay, moisture okay, T for temperature, M for moisture detected. Okay, so here I'm using some bore water. Cry detection, so if any larger cry, then only it will detect. LM35 temperature sensor, so moisture detected. baby crying, baby moving, over temperature. There are 4 sensors: LM35 temperature sensor, cry detection, moisture detection, and PIR sensor. So Arduino Uno R3 board, ESP32 camera module, username is project, password is project1234. So once again, so I'm removing the power supply. Here I'm inserting the SIM card, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. Okay, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. BB monitoring system using sensors, Arduino ESP32 camera module, power supply board 1 for the all the sensors, power supply 2 for the only ESP32 camera module, and here the PIR sensor, moisture detection, moisture detection, cry detection, LM35 temperature sensor. Okay, so anything is happened, it will send the SMS alert. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.